Guys, update. Yung pilik mata ko nung pumunta ako dito, 48. Ngayon, 36 na lang sila.
Let's go!
So this is our last full day here in Seoul for brunch. Late na kami nagising and late kami nag-ayos. Tagal namin nag-ayos. I got ito, spam mayo, stir-fried kimchi ruru, and banana milk. Ikaw, sis, what you get?
I got ramyeon, kimchi, and then this one. Royal crab.
Para yung crab royal. Yan, initin mo namin ang aming foods. So, I'm gonna prep my food. Meron siyang kasama spam mayo, and then yung seaweed, roasted seaweed, and spam lang pala ito kasi ito yung mayo hei. And then yung, of course, yung rice. Ganito kanina. Diyan. Itin ko muna yung rice. Aras, luto na yung kanin ko. Here's a then it's her spam and egg. Spam and egg pala ito. It's giving cat food. Just so we're gonna put the mayo sauce. Mayo sauce roasted seaweed. Wow, it looks so good. And here's the finished product ng ating spam and egg mayo. Chance! So, we're doing pasalubong shopping and first mo ka pang ni Glenna. Ano kinuha mo? Custard or pap?
Red, I think this is
Red
red
tea.
bean, yeah.
Okay, game. Taste test.
Oh, custard.
The custard, Kebs. What the hell is it?
It's so good.
It's custardy. The custard is custardy.
So good.
We got 2 more. Chan. Custard Cocoa Pop. I got, actually, we got the red bean Cocoa Pop ones. Pero lapit tayo. Wow. Oh, I almost died. Wow.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect for the bread.
Dalawa 2,000. I am tatlo 2,000.
Hindi ka ba ito sis? Diba? Parang yung ano, yun naman yung kumpang na kinain natin sa lahat. Well, we're gonna go shopping alam. Sis, lokal ka naman sis. Welcome to Gangnam. Oh. Talunin mo siya. Showdown. Showdown ka natin. Sabi mo, habibi, showdown. Sis, galing. Oh, galingan mo yung pose ha. Ikaw hindi ka lang magpo-pose, magda-dance ka. Araso. Dito. Yes. Picture lang kita doon sa escalator, gano'n. Baba ka, tapos, gulong ka na lang siguro, sis. So, we're here at COEX. Gangnam statue kami. Nag-dance kami sa Gangnam statue. So, road to dancers na talaga kami dito. And, naghanap kami CR. Bye-bye! Tada! We're here at Namjoon's Sisters Cafe in Seongsu. Sis, hanapin mo na yung bayaw mo, sis. Bilas ba? Or bilat? Asay. Azan. Arasa. We got the Armentio, which is apparently pistachio latte. Pistachio cream latte. Tan! We made it to Seongsu Cafe Farben. Actually, tapos na kami. Yun lang, bye. So, we're gonna eat dinner. Favorite Samgyup place ni Jungkook. We're gonna get 3 layers Samgyup, 5 layers Samgyup, kimchi fried rice.
Ayun o. Yan.
Thanks for the boxes. Pieces. So, we're gonna eat dinner at Rosan Butchers in a shop with Bamboo. We're just waiting for the meat to cook and the kimchi. The chige is here! Wow! Daming usok. Sadan! Boom! 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 Sis, welcome to Apgujeong. Thank you po. Thank you for the warm welcome. Magsusnow na in a couple of minutes. Sorry, we're just waiting. It's snowing in Glenna! Oh my gosh, it's snowing, everyone! Wow! Mahina pa lang siya ngayon kasi babagsak pa siya. 10:58 pa lang. The snowcast is 11 p.m. But, andyan na siya. Hello, girl. Congratulations. Kami sa Tom and Tom's. It's almost 12 midnight. Kasi nag-snow. Tapos, last night namin and we wanna sulit it. SAR. Kain na naman ang mga bading. Wait, let me get a close-up shot. Boom. So we got the caramel cinnamon bread. Yan. Yay! People watching na naman kami kahit walang people. Let's go. Ayan. So parang meron siyang dalawang cream. May yan at saka ito. Mocha ba din ba?
And vanilla.
Ang laki.
Kaya.
Binawan. Uy! Perfect dessert din sa sobrang savory na samgyeopsal, no? Sarap na.
Kaya mo yung mga viewers, be.
Mag-ambag sila.
Kainin mo din.
Ay, baka nauhaw. We're covered in snow. Ta-da! Hala. I'm snowman. So, we're still in Apgujeong. Pauwi na kami ng Itaewon. At, hala ka. Ang tarurang ng bading. Ang tapang ko naman sa outfit ko. Time check. It's 3:30 in the morning. Flight na namin mamaya 1. Pero adventure pa rin kami. And nakapagtulog. Nakapang-inglip lang kami habang nag-i-snow. This is all for the love of coffee. And sinusulit ang last day in Korea. Yun lang, bye-bye. Di ko na kaya pang itago ang nararamdaman sa'yo. Next. Di ko kailangan ng kayamanan. Puso mo ang tangi kong inaasam. Hindi ko kaya. Sarap. Wait, ikaw naman. Saluhin mo, paramihan tayong snow. Aray, alas mo ako pumunta.
Sa utang?
Wala ako nun dyan. Guys, update. Yung pilik mata ko nung pumunta ako dito, 48. Ngayon, 36 na lang sila. Uy, ayoko na nagasay kamay ka. Okay, bye. Sis, mag-slide na tayo. Ito kami sa playground. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero sige.
Oh, as if you don't know. And I have a surprise. Uy, parang nakahubo kasi. Ayan na. Okay na.
Tan, kala niyo ma-forget namin kayo. Gianatics and Glenna Global.
Parang tayo.
Rawr! So, we're already on the last day of this trip. And, ila talk show.
Ay, open. Maliit pagkabukas ng sila.
Talk show natin. And, we want to thank you guys for joining. What? Joke. Ayun, nag-breakfast kami sa airport. We're waiting for our check-in time. Kasi maaga kami pumunta ng Incheon Airport. Super early despite the snowstorm. Ayun pala, nag-snowstorm dito sa Gabon hanggang ngayon. Tapos ito, namili kami ng breakfast. Quickie breakfast. Ayan. May natin sa mga Gianatics at Glenna Global.
I don't know how to open this.
Ay, ino-off na.
I broke it. I think I broke it.
You peel it number 1. So this is how you open Sangkak Kimbap. Peel it number 1. And then you do like that. Oh. Yeah. And then, ito yung sausage. And then once you're done, yung number 2 and number 3. Boom. Now you know. And then you eat it like so. Agoy, ito ko. Cheers.
Pinakain, hindi pa na yun.
Ano, hindi kayo mag-thank you? Gawin, wala may proper etiquette. Ano, samsam nito. Samsam nito. Asosyo. Sige na, babay na.